Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learnify Today. In this video, I am going to share something incredible. I am going to share the two things that will help you to improve your English language. Actually, I shared many things in my videos which I already uploaded on YouTube channel. So, in this video, I have considered only two things that will help you mostly because speaking, guys, for speaking, what we should do it. We should speak. That is one thing. We should speak. Don't consider yourself how I can speak. Always speak. Maybe sometime you will speak wrong words, you mispronounce the words, or you fumble, you stuck. But you should speak because for speaking, we have to first speak, then we can speak English confidently. For speaking, for saying something in English, we don't need to be fluent. We need sometime you can speak wrong word, sometime you can make mistakes, but it is normal, it's a common. So there is a one thing that is you must follow it, which is speak out loud. Whenever you see any new sentence, any new words, even while using your mobile phone, while scrolling reels, or while watching any video, you should speak out loud. That means you are practicing. Okay, in this way you can do your speaking practice. So you have to speak first, then you should go to do other things. Always be positive, always consider yourself that I want to improve myself, so I have to do this work first, then I should go and do other things. But at first you have to improve yourself, you have to practice. After completing your practice, then you have to go. Otherwise, don't leave, stay in your place, stay what you are doing for studying, stay in your room, don't go other side, don't watch all the things, all the world without improving yourself, without studying. So what I wanted to share, which is your first thing, we have to speak more and more, then you can become more confident, or you can become more comfortable that language, English language. Because what I believe, actually I started from the scratch. I didn't know anything, how to introduce myself, I didn't know how to express, I didn't know how to drop message to anyone. I used to only convey my message in Hindi. I always used to talk in Hindi. I always used to drop my messages in Hindi. Not in Hindi, in English, but in Hindi. Okay? Like चीज़ें होती थी इंग्लिश में, स्पेलिंग इंग्लिश की, बट पढ़ने में हिंदी. So I used to this way. But again, when I know myself, I should improve that. When I decided to improve myself, then I was thinking too much. What should I do? I should do other exam preparation. I should learn English, or I should do something other things. I thought too much. But after watching so many videos, after searching so many videos on YouTube, on social media, then I found it. There are so many ladies, girls, even so many peoples, they are speaking English confidently. They are making video confidently. They are explaining their own experience. They are sharing their English learning journey. Then I decided I should start this. Even when I started, I was totally blank. I started from the sketch. I started from A, B, C, D, like pronunciation. I could not read a book properly. I could not make sentence in a perfect structure. If I can understand, if I can express my feelings, if I can convey my message to others, so that is a very big thing for me. It's not a small. It is a big achievement for me. If someone they talk with me about any topic, I can understand very well. Even I would not answer in a perfect way with a lot of vocabulary, with a lot of expression or idioms. I cannot give the answer in a perfect way, but I can share my point of view. I can explain, I can relate the things. That is the big most achievement for me in my life. So I should go ahead. I should again start my journey. Then I thought about in myself. Then I decided to go again to do and make videos. Actually, sometimes the situation is not in our hand. Sometimes the things are in not our hand. Sometimes we have to do each and everything at alone. We have to manage everything. That's why sometimes I think I should give up. But now I don't want to give up this journey. I want to run my YouTube channel, and I got 5k subscribers. That is big achievement for me because I didn't expect that much subscribers I can gain. But yeah, it's a God gifted, and it's all about my hard work. That is why people they are liking my videos. That is why people they are considering about my English. People are supporting me, so it's a big milestone for my life. That's why I want to run this channel, and I want to speak English language. So yeah guys, if any situation if any situation is troubling you, then please try to find out the solution for that situation. Don't think on that situation I should give up, I should do another things, I should, you know, beside that. No guys, you have to follow the same things but in different ways, in different path. We should not forget our goal. We should change our path. We should do things in a different way, but we should keep considering our goal. That's why I considering myself. If I can speak English, if I can convey my message, if I can talk to with someone, that's a big milestone in my life. Do you know guys, milestone that means उपलब्धि, आपके जीवन की कोई बहुत बड़ी उपलब्धि। क्योंकि मुझे इंग्लिश कुछ नहीं आता था। अगर कोई मेरे सामने कुछ बोल के चला जाए तो मैं सुन तो लेती हूँ, लेकिन क्या बोला उसको ट्रांसलेट करना पड़ता था। तो आज वो ट्रांसलेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं है मुझे। हालांकि मैं उसे एक परफेक्ट स्ट्रक्चर में और परफेक्ट ग्रामर में उसे आंसर भले ना दे पाऊँ, बट उसने क्या बोला वो मैं समझ जाऊँगी। तो ये चीज़ मेरे लिए एक बहुत बड़ी उपलब्धि है कि कम से कम अगर कोई कुछ मुझे बोल के भी जाता है तो मैं उसे समझ जाऊँ और उसे उसका रिप्लाई भी दे दूँ। तो सो दिस इज़ द बिग माइलस्टोन in my life that I achieved. So that is why I would like to mention my point of view for you. Please stay positive, stay consistent, do your work consistently, do your work honestly with hard work, then you can achieve each and everything in your life. In initially, I know maybe it will difficult for you. It was also difficult for me. But after passing some months, some year, you can feel a big difference in your life. So that's why please go ahead, always ready to face